So I'm Lory Stobart. I'm the National Service Operations Manager here at Endress+Hauser.
Yeah, my name is Luke DeVries. I am Project Engineering Manager with Miller Mechanical Specialties.
I would say accurate and reliable measurements is a big one. Of course, compliance with regulations. So different industries and different processes have regulations they have to abide by. An improved efficiency and productivity. So those are the biggies. And of course, I guess all of it, as long as the meters are calibrated in the right way, it's extended equipment life as well.
If regular calibrations really help a customer achieve a sense of confidence that the instrument is working the way that it's intended to be working and the number that they're receiving from that is accurate. Calibration for a lot of customers means a lot of different things, and we have a lot of options to meet whatever those customer needs are. Sometimes it could be as simple as doing a loop check. Other times it could be a verification that the instrument's reading electronically the same way that it's supposed to. And other times it's a full wet calibration where you put a known amount of fluid through, say, a flow meter and make sure that flow meter is reading the same amount.
We offer different types of calibration. So we have, you'll hear it referred to in the industry as standard calibrations versus accredited calibrations. So it depends what the customer needs, what their process or their industry is looking for. Our on-site options, we can calibrate up to a 3-inch meter in line, or we can do a 2-inch meter with our lab rigs. Overall, any industry or any process that relies on accurate measurement should have calibration. So it just really ensures that the equipment is measuring accurately. We do see, as a general rule of thumb, about every year something does need calibrated, but of course that varies depending on the industry or process. Of course, a few of the biggies are life sciences, oil and gas, utilities, food and bev is also a huge one too. This is one of my favorite ones to answer because it's such an easy thing to discuss with the customer. You're talking time savings. So especially if it's on site, they don't have to take the meter out of the process. They can just do it on site. You've got cost savings. So we discussed a little bit another question where you've got some inaccuracies and what the measurement has drifted, then they're losing product, which they're losing money. So that's a big piece. Risk management is another really big one. I like this one too, improved productivity. So that's a big one that we can see with the calibration. And this might be a little bit in certain industries, but it actually can give the customer a competitive advantage if they have everything calibrated in the right way too.
Our calibration offering really is made to meet the customer's expectations. Whether that's simply doing a verification to make sure that they can spread the time out between true calibrations, or whether or not that's a NIST traceable 17025 calibration that they can have a lot of confidence that we're using the right tools, we're using the right procedures in order to ensure the most accurate calibration that's available.
When it comes to calibration, it's only calibration certified technicians. So these are technicians that have been through flow, level, and pressure school, and then they go to a calibration methodology school. So all of our technicians are put through the ringer when it comes to that, and there are no uncertified technicians out there doing any type of calibration, especially when you're talking about accredited calibrations, of course.
We have tested procedures that are consistent, that are compliant with the 17025 requirement. We also do a lot of upfront work to make sure that we have the right tools, we have the right equipment, we have the right people on site to do that calibration.
Expertise and experience, of course, with our rep partners. I mean, you have local reps that know the area and the customer right in your backyard. Comprehensive solutions. So working with the customer, not just telling them what they need, but making sure we understand what their process is and what their, finding them where they are and then getting them where they need to be is big.
MMS really prides themselves in having technical experts with real-world experience that do a good job of marrying products that they know really well with applications that you are facing with every day.